Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I've been looking for a liquid latex brand here in the Philippines, and I saw this one on Shopee. It's Cathy's peel-off tape nail latex, and it's 15 ml. It's 68 pesos, and it's cold resistant, environment friendly, odorless, naturally dry, and easy to remove. It says that this product contains latex and cannot be used by people who are allergic to latex. And so I bought 2 bottles. It has a milky white appearance. Let's try a patch test first, so that we can check if I have allergic reactions with this product. Okay, so after letting that to dry, there's no rash or redness, and it doesn't feel itchy at all. Now let's try peeling it off. I think we're all good. Now, let's try it as a liquid latex for nail art. I'm applying a generous amount of it around the skin of my nails. After 10 minutes, it's already dry, and it dries clear. Now let's do a gradient. For the moment of truth, let's try peeling it off. And it works perfectly. Just need to do a bit of cleanup, but it has done its job perfectly. Then I decided to stamp over it as well. But this time I applied a thin layer of Cathy's peel-off tape, and it didn't peel off fully. So I suggest that you should apply a generous amount of it to achieve that full peel. Loving that this product is under 100 pesos per bottle, and it doesn't have any striking odor at all. Will surely use this on my upcoming nail arts. If you want to check out this product, the link is available on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!